Alam mo ba, merong mga words na madalas ay magka-partner kapag gagamitin sa sentence, na kapag iba yung ka-partner nila, kahit nakapare-pareho lang ang meaning, ay hindi natural pakinggan. At minsan, hindi rin sila pwedeng bali-baliktarin, kagaya ng big decision, natural pakinggan. Pero kapag gagamit tayo ng large instead of big, at sasabihin nating large decision, napaka-awkward ng pakinggan. Kapag malakas ang ulan, natural na i-describe natin ito na heavy rain. Awkward kung gagawin nating strong rain. Ang back and forth naman ay hindi natin sasabihing forth and back. Ito ang tinatawag nating mga collocations. According sa Collins Dictionary, in linguistics, collocation is the way that some words occur regularly whenever another word is used. Ito ang natural na pagsama-sama o pagpartner ng mga words na magiging awkward pakinggan kapag ibang words ang kapartner nila. Kahit pa kapare-pareho lang yung meaning. Kaya kapag tinutukoy natin ang ating mga paboritong pagkain sa Jollibee at McDo, tinatawag natin itong fast food. Hindi quick food. At kung ikaw ay nagmamadali, mabilisan lang ang pagligo, so gagawin mo ay quick shower. Hindi fast shower. At ang mga collocations na to ay may iba't ibang kombinasyon ng mga words. Meron tayong adverb plus adjective collocations. Kagaya ng fully aware. Example, Lawrence is fully aware of my plans. Meron ding adjective plus noun collocations. Kagaya ng heavy traffic. Example, he missed his flight because of the heavy traffic. Meron ding noun plus noun collocations. Kagaya ng birth certificate. Example, please provide a copy of your birth certificate. Meron ding noun plus verb collocations. Kagaya ng bird sings, lions roar, teachers teach, at doctors advise. Example, the doctor advised him to see a specialist. Meron ding verb plus noun collocations. Kagaya ng make a choice. Example, you need to make a choice now. Meron ding verb plus preposition na collocations, kagaya ng participate in. Example, she doesn't like to participate in a debate. Meron ding verb plus adverb collocations, kagaya ng speak loudly. Example, please speak loudly so that we can hear you. Kaya sa ating paggawa ng mga sentences, siguraduhin natin na natural pakinggan ang mga combination ng words na ginamit natin. At para makasure tayo, check lang natin ang ating mga paboritong dictionaries or mag-search lang tayo sa internet.